Hi, my name is Matthew Lacey with Daikin North America. Today we're visiting a home just south of Denver, Colorado. The reason for this site visit today is that this is the location where 2 Daikin AURORA MultiZone systems are installed. We'll be walking through the home talking about the features and benefits of the Daikin AURORA heat pump system. Here we have a Daikin indoor unit fan coil. One of the nice things about this unit is it has the ability to adjust airflow left or right or up or down. If you're sitting on the couch, you can have air blowing directly at you. If you don't like air blowing on you, you can have it point in another direction. It also has what's called an intelligent eye. The intelligent eye has the ability to sense room occupancy. If you're out of the room for more than 20 minutes, the system goes into an energy savings mode. Then once you re-enter the room, it goes right back into the set temperature you were last at. It also has what's called comfort airflow. Comfort airflow allows for the system to adjust airflow so it's not blowing directly at the occupant. Those features are adjusted with the remote control. You can also see that this indoor unit has the ability to produce temperatures well over 100 degrees. One of the nice things about the Daikin AURORA MultiZone system is that it has many different indoor unit options. Here we have a wall mount fan coil, but we also have ducted fan coil options, cassette fan coil options, and floor-mounted fan coil options. This is what's called a decentralized system. A decentralized system has 1 outdoor and multiple indoor units. A traditional system has 1 outdoor and 1 indoor. This home, for example, has 7 different indoor units, which means 7 different comfort levels. A traditional home only has 1 comfort level. One of the other nice things about the Daikin AURORA system is that it has the ability to produce 100% capacity at temperatures as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit. And on a day like today, it is nice and warm inside the home. As mentioned earlier, one of the indoor unit options is a ducted fan coil. The ducted fan coil is a completely concealed indoor unit. It's usually mounted in an attic space, but in this scenario, it's mounted in the master closet. It also allows for combining multiple areas. The master bedroom and the master bathroom are combined into 1 zone. The ducted fan coil allows for high levels of filtration for improved indoor air quality. The Daikin AURORA MultiZone system is an all-electric heat pump system. It uses electricity to heat in the wintertime and cool in the summertime. It allows for consumers to rely on renewable energy and move away from carbon-emitting furnaces. Here we are standing next to the Daikin AURORA outdoor units. These outdoor units use Daikin's patented inverter technology. That's what makes them so efficient. Each of the 7 indoor units is piped to these outdoor units. That allows the indoor units to provide heating and cooling. Unlike a traditional system that uses a gas furnace, the Daikin AURORA is a heat pump system. That means it produces heat in the wintertime. A traditional system also uses what's called a top discharge condenser that takes up a lot of real estate. The Daikin AURORA outdoor system and its configuration allows for space savings. Keeping them elevated is important to prevent snow drift from inhibiting operation. As we wrap up this site visit in this home just south of Denver, Colorado, I was happy to see that the Daikin AURORA MultiZone system was able to produce plenty of heat inside on a day like today when it was 27 degrees outside. Thank you for joining us on this tour.